slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with iReviewStuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at another pair of Travis Scott Air Force Ones. Travis Scott Jordan 1 High OGs. This is a collab you guys have wanted to see for a while now. I reviewed a pair from Footskicks. This is a pair from ShoeOut. It is of course UA, so if you're new to the channel, yeah, that's what it is. So it's kind of good for legit checking. If you see any differences from these compared to the retail pairs, that's something you might want to look out for if you're buying on the secondary market. But before I get into everything, if you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, you want to stay up to date, hit that subscribe button. Also remember to turn on notifications, and if you're a new or current viewer of mine, drop a like on the video to support the channel and show some love that way. And last but not least, if you haven't already subscribed or followed my Instagram, link will be in the description. Do that too. I will tell you that if you're trying to follow on a spam account with like 2 followers, they just made I don't know, because I've had some bad experiences in the past with that, then you probably won't get accepted. So with all that being said, let's get right into it. Shipping with ShoeOut is about a week and a half, 1 to like 3 days processing time, which can vary. Obviously it can be shorter than that, it can be faster, or it can be shorter than that, it can be longer, you know, kind of just depends. So let's get right into it. Starting off with the information, if you guys are new to the site, there's all the stuff you'll need to know. So the website, the WhatsApp, her WeChat, Bernice's WeChat, and Bernice's Instagram is at bernicegerge. So Bernice is awesome, man. Like, she's super dope to talk to and figure stuff out when you're ordering from her, and yeah, like super helpful in that sense. And if you use my code iReviewStuff, you'll save yourself $20 off. If you guys have been rocking for the channel for a while, y'all already know that I've been messing with ShoeOut heavy for a minute. They're well known, really great quality, and nothing much else to say. So really have blown up since I started fucking with their stuff and copping shit from them. So you can see I got these laced pink, already laced. The last pair I reviewed wasn't even laced. Story on that is I already did this video, went to go edit it tonight, and I guess I thought the other night that I already rendered it and stuff. So I don't know what happened to the video. Maybe it got deleted, or I don't know, but that explains why they're laced. So that's why they're laced, and that's why the extra laces aren't hanging off the side of the shoe. But yeah, there's that. Had to make this video twice for y'all. Hopefully you appreciate that. So this is how the box looks. Typical Jordan 1 box. The only difference is the black, or where it would be black, sorry, is now brown. So yeah, that's really all they really did different with the box. Beyond that, same you know, form, same colors besides brown. And yeah, so there's a size tag, size 12, Air Jordan 1 High OG Travis Scott. I don't know what SP means. And then there's a colorway sail black, dark mocha. These are a pair for a friend. I also got a personal pair, but cop pair for him as well. Funny story, I'm actually wearing the pair that I got for myself. Kind of messed up the suede on them because I wore them yesterday to work and it started raining like crazy. And yeah, that's the story. I don't really care because they're kind of beaters. They kind of look dirty, these shoes in my opinion, but everyone has their own opinion. Some people like their shoes looking fresh no matter what it is, but some shoes, including this one, looks better with more character, having it be like all not super beat up but like used looking, you know. This is the inside the box, nothing special. You just got the swoosh. It says swoosh in brown, same brown that's used all throughout the box, and then you got the Nike swoosh right there. And on the inside, you got the nice pink paper with the Nike Air Cactus Shack, Travis Scott logo, and the Air Jordan logo all over it. I know you guys probably want to see the shoes, you don't really care too much. Then you got white piece of paper and your shoe tree, which there's only one apparently. I don't know what my friend did with the other one, maybe threw it out or whatever. I don't know, I don't care. I grabbed them from his room because I live with them, so asked him, of course. Then it comes with a pair of sail laces, more like white, but they are sail, but some people say it's white. And then as well as a pair of red, brown, so same brown that's all over the shoe in the box, and then of course black, which the already came like on the shoes, just not fully laced up, just like a regular Jordan 1 would come a lot of the times. And of course, obviously pink, because they are laced with pink. So that's the lace color my friend chose. Looks pretty dope, honestly, because I feel like pink and brown are like complementing colors. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's how it is. So here is the shoe. Let me get a nice little shot for when I'm posting on Instagram. Serious heat, boys. You can see the pink actually looks pretty dope, especially if you're orienting, I don't even know if that's the right word, but kind of if you're coordinating your whole fit to the shoes. If you're wearing a pink shirt or something like that, stuff that accents each other, super clean. Even if you're wearing one of those fits I see some people use with like the super baggy pants and stuff like that, just looks super clean. It's up to everyone's perspective though. My girl really likes the pink laces on these two, so I mean, yeah, my dude might just steal my girl. Anyways, you can see a shoe looks super dope. You got that big fat swoosh right there, nice tumble leather, nice and soft as well. You can see creasing. The suede is exquisite, does change color as you can see. With the pair that I have, probably doesn't do this as much now due to the rain, but it's no biggie. You can see the color changes super easily on his pair just because he hasn't even worn it once yet. No creases on the toe box, but you do have some nice plush leather there as well, and you can see all the holes. On this side you got the regular swoosh in that nice, like, again, pretty tumble leather even on that. Nice and clean. Same tumbled sail leather as well, and you do have the Cactus Shack logo. It is 3M. Don't know why you guys can see that, but in the dark you can see that it does light up kind of. It'd be better even if it was, especially if it had flash or something on it, but yep. Then the back of the shoe, you got the Cactus Shack Travis Scott Nirvana face. I don't really know what to call it. Of course, these do have pockets. I don't know how successful I am going to be in opening this. Probably not very with one hand. Oh man, I'm gonna try to do it for y'all. I'm gonna try to do it my hardest right here. So there you go. Just imagine that. Nice pocket, red lining on the inside, all throughout the ankle collar. So you can see that's all Velcro. So you can stash stuff up until like about where the white leather starts on the ankle collar. So pretty dope. This is the tongue, back of the tag. Nice clean stitching all around. So these are going for like $2,500 right now on like StockX, which is insane. Probably more than likely definitely going to drop. I use like 3 different words. The price is definitely going to drop once they have the wider GR. Well, it's not going to be GR, but it's going to be a wider release for sure. On May 3rd. It was supposed to be April 27th, I believe, but it got pushed back to May 3rd. But yeah, Nike Air right there on the tongue. Got the Cactus Shack logo in red on black stitched in there. And inside of the shoe, this is the right shoe, it does have the Cactus Shack logo. Size 12 men's. Got the size sticker right there. Don't know why you guys can see that, but yep. And yeah, beyond that, pretty simple shoe, man. Well, I mean, it is pretty simple, honestly. It's just a regular Jordan 1 silhouette, and bottom is like a lot darker of like a mocha tone. Almost looks black, but it is more like super dark brown. So these look pretty accurate. And the toe box, a lot of people say is pretty fat, but if you look on some retail pairs, like some guy on Reddit even posted a pair of his retail so people could QC properly when they're buying from UA sites, and his toe box is pretty chunky, man. So there's a little kind of note for you guys, because I thought the toe box was kind of chunky after I saw people say that. A lot of the times the first UA pairs of ones, they tend to have chunky toe boxes. That's just kind of the thing. When they're making leather, I guess it can't get a spot on the first batch. But on these, it is suede, so I mean, yeah, retail pairs have had the chunky toe boxes. But there's a quick look at the left shoe as well. You can see a Jordan logo, by the way. R and the DR connected. There you go. There's the back. Trying to get in some nice darker lighting. Whatever, not focusing very well. But yeah, you can see stitch job, super clean. On this side, you got the Cactus Shack in 3M as well. So that's dope. And then Nice stitching all throughout the midsole. Paint is nice and sharp on these. I've seen ones with really messy paint even in the store. Like I saw a pair of really bad Royal Blues, or Game Royals, sorry. Game Royal ones, and the paint on the midsole was terrible. I think they're at either Champs or Foot Locker. I forgot where I saw them. It was sometime last summer. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it with the shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is it worth the money? You guys tell me. There's the Travis Scott ones, another pair. Probably gonna have a third pair as well from Will's Kicks. Not trying to advertise for the site on this, but because ShoeOut quality is on point. If you guys want to cop, it's up to you what you guys want to do with your money. I'm not gonna, you know, endorse it on this video, but if you guys want to cop on the DL, I think it's really worth it. Like for the quality that you get, like it's super dope. Quality put into the shoe, materials, all that stuff is definitely there, and yeah, can't really go wrong. So just make sure you ask for QC pictures, check them ahead of time before they ship out, because usually I want to say 5 to 6 hours, if not less, after you get the QC pictures, they are shipped out. If not right when you get the QC pictures. So a lot of the time you can't be like, hey, get me another pair because that looks whack. But if you catch them right when they send them to you, you should be able to switch out if there's anything wrong, which usually I haven't had to do that once with ShoeOut. Had to do it very rarely with other sites. So with all that being said, this video was 11 minutes long. I'm gonna let y'all guys go. Hopefully you're having an awesome day. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Yeah, just stay blessed, man. Stay blessed. Hopefully y'all enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll check you guys in my next video. Peace.